I've been diving deep into the world of MicroGPT lately, and it's been quite a ride. Whether you're a developer or just curious about AI, MicroGPT offers a fascinating blend of potential and challenges. So, what exactly is it? MicroGPT is a compact version of larger models like GPT-3. It's designed for high performance with a fraction of the resource requirements. Think of it as a leaner, faster version of the AI you know. Why should you care? It significantly reduces computational overhead, making it perfect for mobile or web apps where speed is key. Plus, you can train it on specific datasets for tailored results. Setting it up was straightforward, but I hit a snag with dependencies. Ever felt like your computer was fighting back? I realized I needed to ensure my Torch library was compatible. Here's the fix. Make sure to adjust your CUDA version. After getting that squared away, I could run the model without a hitch. It felt like a small victory. I even built a simple library chatbot. Seeing it generate coherent responses was exhilarating. I learned that fine-tuning with quality data is just as crucial as the model itself. But beware of overfitting. My initial dataset was too small, so the model memorized instead of learning. I expanded the data and incorporated varied queries. Fail fast, learn faster. Optimization is the real fun. I spent time tweaking parameters like temperature, lower for deterministic facts, higher for creative brainstorming. It transforms the user experience. As developers, we must be mindful of our data sets. I've started incorporating ethical reviews into my workflow to ensure we build a better future. MicroGPT is a game changer for efficient AI deployment. Dive in, experiment, and let's connect on GitHub or YouTube to master tech together. Thanks for watching.